I literally know nothing. Paige, can I put butter in the microwave? Okay, cool. We're gonna put it in the microwave. For how long? 20 seconds? Oh, wait. Jesus fuck.
Did you put the...
Update. The butter was not supposed to go in the microwave. Oh, it's on fire. Oh god. This is cursed. No, yeah, no, we know, it's true. You know what, on the positive end, actually, I would say the butter is now good to spread on our toast.
What can I say?
Mission successful. The butter has been melted. It was at the cost of a small fire. Okay, I get it.
Don't. This is in the past, buddies.